Hey guys, Brian with B-Stride. I want to go ahead and show you how to reset the service due soon A12 maintenance light. This is on an Acura RDX 2018, but it should work on the 2013 through the 2018 models. So what you're going to want to do is down here, you're going to press this button, and you're going to want to go up and down. There's up and down buttons right here. It's already on vehicle settings, but say you want to go through here until you get to settings, vehicle settings, then press the select reset button. And then you're going to scroll up or down with these buttons again until you get to, should say maintenance info. There you go. So here we are, we're going to press select. And here we go. With the little scroll up or down buttons, we're going to go up and then press reset. And what this is going to do, it says reset completed. It resets the oil life. So you're going to want to do this after you've performed your oil change or after you've had your oil changed. I really hope this video has helped you guys. Go ahead and check out the next car video here. And if it's helped and provided value, go ahead and subscribe.